Alright guys, so today we're going to start installing some of the Mishimoto stuff. This is a Mishimoto oil catch can, so we're going to get it installed on the car. Alright guys, so normally it would have this fitting right here in it with a pretty good size hose, and we've got the smaller fittings now, so it should work on this car pretty easily. Get that hooked up. Alright guys, under the hood is very hard to find a spot over here on this one because there's really not much room over here. It looks like there'd be a pretty good bit of room. When you start sticking this can in there, it fills up pretty quick. There's actually a pretty good bit of space above the turbo, but that's super hot. I'm thinking I can get it in here on this bolt right there. If I can just get one bolt on it and see if that'll work and see if everything will close, then that might work, so we'll try that. Right, I ended up having to take the bracket off, and this car, it's just way too tight. There's just not enough of an area anywhere in here that's deep enough, except for about right there. So you can see, I can see the sight glass on it, and I've just zip tied it in here with one of the heavy duty zip ties, and hopefully that will work. It should. The one that is good about it being a zip tie is I can just cut it and pull it out and drain it, because this will have to be drained periodically. You can't just leave them and let them fill up. So we'll have to pull it out and drain it, but it's not too bad. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it'll have to work. So we'll continue. All right guys, so the catch can is in. I've got the outlet hooked up. Now I just got to get a 3/8 line to go from here into there. Hope all that goes in. But that looks pretty good. Like I said, I got a view of the sight glass, and since it is just zip tied in, I can literally just pull it up out of that zip tie, drain it, and set it back. So it actually, it's not going to be too bad. Hit the bracket and stuff, put that up. This is the part number of this catch can, if you want to get one of these. I did take the cover off here, and it's amazing how much these engines look like the Evo 10 because they're so closely related. But especially with that cover off the middle, you can tell it's dual overhead cam. It looks a little more racy. So I now got to get some hose. All right, got a piece of 3/8 hose, trim it up, and then that'll be good to go. All right, there it is. Mishimoto oil catch can is now installed. And pretty simple. This was a 1/2-inch line. This was a 3/8 line. Like I said, did have to change up the fittings and make that work. So you just have to figure that out. But got a good view of the sight glass in here, and can really just slide it up out of there and change it for the most part. So even if we have to cut the cable and fix it back, but that's about the only place to really make it fit well. So anyways, that's it, and it'll work. Fits good, and everything's good to go. I have gotten ate up a bit trying to put this thing in, so seems like every time I turned around, my finger was getting snagged on one of these little metal pieces in here. But anyway, it's done. So just want to say thank you to Mishimoto for sponsoring me. They are sponsoring the build. We do have a Mishimoto intercooler. It's already in, and some other cool things from them. So that'll be pretty cool. This is actually a piece I got from my brother-in-law, but it was Mishimoto, and they are sponsoring, so that's pretty sweet. Appreciate him for getting me that, and that's it. So thanks guys. Right guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share on this video for your chance to win the AMR 500 Supercharger.